Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I want to practice a little bit of fire roll, and I'm going to have to do a little bit of prep work first, so bear with me while I get this prep out of the way. Alright, here goes my second try. The first time I let it get too wet. Let's see if we can rectify that situation. This one's getting wet on the outside also. It's just started to sprinkle some. But that's alright, we need the rain. It's actually been 3 weeks. 3 weeks since we've had rain. We got it that time, in spite of the wetness on the outside. You know, when we first started fire rolling, back in the beginning, we used to wet the outside. We used to like wet our hand and then start rolling it to give it a wet coating on the outside before we realized it was unnecessary. I like to loosen it up so that the amber can spread better. When you start waving it, as long as the smoke is increasing, you don't want to stop. It might be your only chance to get the flames. If you don't see the smoke increasing, then you'll want to stop and blow on it some more. Try to get a hot ember in there before you actually start waving it again. Alright y'all, I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.